What is going on, YouTube? So I've been wanting to customize my Series X for quite a while now, but I just got the time to do it now. So my wife has a Cricut. I went out and I bought some brushed gold stencil. It's permanent stencil. And then I found a design on Google. I liked it. I thought it went well with the Series X. Cut it out, and yeah, I threw it on the Xbox. So I'll show you like a little bit of the process. There it is. Put it to lay on here. First, take some alcohol. Wipe it down. Get your greasy chicken fingers off of the Xbox, and then yeah. And yeah, this is what it looks like. I think it looks great. I like the way that it turned out. I think it goes well with the design. You know, I had to go gold. If you watch my other videos, I love my gold, so I think it looks great because circuit boards, some of them have gold plating. So, and it's Microsoft, so I think it goes well. And you always get a crazy nice reflection, certain angles. Camera's not picking it up, but yeah. I might leave the button there. I might just leave it. I was thinking about cutting around it. Actually, I might still cut around it and just leave it still on there, just so I can click it, but I never really click it, like this one here. But that's the thing, I never really click the buttons. The eject button, obviously I'm gonna have to click, but that one I usually just use the controller. And then there's the sync button. Here's the top. That's how I have it laying down always, so that's why I only did these two sides. I didn't do the back and I didn't do the bottom because it never stands up, but if I decided to start having it stand up, I could always do that. Also, now I'm thinking about using the gold stencil to do the trim on my 55-inch, so they really color coordinate and go good together. They'll pop. Anyways, comment, like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.